Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Before I start this video, I just want to make you all aware that this trading video will be a forecast from Wednesday the 19th until Friday the 21st, as I'm going away on vacation and I will not be able to post any videos in the next 3 days. So in front of me is the euro over the US dollar chart, and as you can see today, we have continued our descent. We're now trading at a very I think it's at like a 1 year low of the 1.078 level. It's quite surprising actually that we have continued to fall. I did say on Friday that we might start to see a bit of a pullback back towards that 1.09 level, but the bears have just got complete control of this market as of now, and we are pushing lower. I did also highlight on Friday's video that there is a gap that still needs to be closed, which is this black line here at the 1.07350 level. As you can see, there's a gap back last year in May which hadn't been closed, and I think we're just aiming now to close that gap. So we could still have another potential of 30 to 40 pips to a downside until we do close that. One thing I would be very wary of though is the RSI. As I mentioned on Friday, we are extremely overbought. We're now nearly at the 20 territory, and if I zoom back, we have only got to that level back in 2018. So it is very rare that we do get this oversold. As you can see, back in the previous months, we have been very choppy. Although we have been moving downwards, we have been very choppy up and down, where this movement is a lot more steeper and aggressive. But I think we will be coming towards the end of that of this significant decline, and we will have to see a bit of a pullback at some point, and then I think from that pullback we can pick up value, and then I think we go a lot lower towards the 1.06 level, which is my long-term target, which I have been saying since the mid-January time when we were trading back up around the 1.12 to 1.11 mark. So I've got this trade spot on right. So now what am I looking for the next couple of days? Well, I do expect the market to close that gap, as I mentioned before, at the 1.07350 mark. However, I am looking for that pullback back towards 1.09 level, anywhere from the 1.08800 mark to the 1.09 level. I would love to pick up value, play some shorts, and then hopefully the market will then continue its decline back towards that 1.06 level, which is my long-term target.